In this video, I'm talking all about InVideo, an amazing online video editor. So let's get into it. InVideo is really awesome because this is an online video editor. This means regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can edit a video. This means you can borrow a friend's laptop, you can do this on a work computer. It doesn't matter where you are, you can edit videos using InVideo's editing software. So let me just jump into the homepage of InVideo and show you what they have to offer. So first of all, this is the pre-made templates tab. They've got an article to video and a blank template tab. Let's go with the pre-made templates for now. So first of all, we can search for a specific template, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. We'll move down to the aspect ratio. And we've got Facebook story, which is vertical. We've got YouTube landscape, which is normal landscape 16:9. Instagram story, square video for Facebook newsfeed, and an Instagram post, which is square as well. I'm going to select YouTube landscape for now. So the top tab here is the What's Hot tab, and if I hover over a preset, it will show you what the preset is. So this is a logo reveal, this is an advert, and of course with all of this you can change the text, you can change the images. You've got the editor's pick, and these are the editor's favorites. You've got your brand intro / outro, so you can create a logo reveal. Moving on, we've got brand promo, and we've got this running promo, which looks great. We've got this anniversary, her birthday promo. That looks great as well. We've got product video ads. The list just goes on and on and on. There's so many different templates here. But for now, I'm going to go up to the very beginning, and I'm going to go to blank template. So we're going to start with a wide video. We'll start editing this. This is the video editor, and to begin with, we're first just going to begin by going to layers. We've got our logo there, so we're just going to delete this. So select the trash can, and we'll delete this text. So we're going to start completely fresh. So as you can see on the left here, we've got media, music, text, stickers, effects, shapes, enhancers, and uploads. So I'm going to go down to uploads first, and I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to begin by dragging this image onto our monitor. I'll just drag this to the left, and we'll increase the size so that this image fills the screen. So we're going to use this as our background. And of course, if we go over to the right, we've got edit, and we've got our scene media. That's the image. We've got the image edit, and we can crop this, or we can add a blur to this image. If it blurs, then I would suggest increasing this just a little bit because it adds a slight border around this. Moving down, we've got image resizing. We've got filters, so we can add some different color filters to this. We've got image animation. So if it comes in, we can add a soft fade in, and that's going to last for 2 seconds. And then we can change the project colors if we want, but don't worry about that for now. So if we play this back, we play the scene from the beginning, you can see we've got this nice fade in on this image. Now in this music tab, we've got loads of different options for tracks here, but if none of these are working for you, if you can't find a track that quite works for you, then you can just go to upload your own, and you can upload a track from your desktop. Moving on, we've got text, and you can create a brand new text layer from scratch. So we can add a heading, and then we can go ahead and we can rename this, add whatever text we want to. And if we go to the style tab, we can change the font. We can change the size of this, we can change the weight, we can add italics to this. You can add some drop shadow if you like, and you can change the color of the drop shadow by just selecting this color box here. We've got animation, we've got text box animation, and so forth. But we'll delete that for now. And we'll move down to these ready-made text boxes. So we've got these classic presets, we've got modern presets, we've got Astons, we've got social media credits, location boxes, and even more. So we'll create a social media credit. We'll go into this, and we'll go ahead and we'll select one of these presets. So I'm going to select this Carla James YouTube option. That's going to add that. And of course, if you go over to the right in the edit, you can rename this, add whatever text you like. So I'm going to add Brooker Films. From there, you can obviously change the font. Everything else that you want to do is over there. But if we play this back from the very beginning, as the image fades in, this is going to animate in as well. So as you can see, it's looking great already. Of course, if that's too big, you can just decrease the size of this by using these pins here. We can push this down into the middle at the bottom. And that looks great. So we're just going to get rid of that for now. We'll press the delete button. We'll go back to text and we can just add another thing of text. So we'll go into classic and we've got all of these amazing presets with these animation presets applied. So we'll go to the rise above the blues one. We'll select that. That's going to add that in. And we can change the font over here. Brooker Films. There we go. And we'll go into style. You can see we can change the font if we want to. We've got colors. We can change the box color from black to whatever you so desire. We've got drop shadow. We're going to select drop shadow. That's going to add a slight drop shadow around the box. And then we've also got the animation, but there is an animation preset on there, so don't worry about that for now. And if we play that from the beginning, you can see we've got this really awesome text animation on our image, which is animating in. Moving down, we have got stickers. Now there's business stickers, we've got call to actions, comic, corporate, crime, Easter, e-commerce, emojis, finance, flags, lifestyle. There are so many different categories here, it's difficult to choose, but we'll go into business and we'll select this light bulb. Of course, if you want to delay something, you want to offset it, if we go down to this editor over here, so this is the sticker, this is sticker 1, we can drag this to the right. So that sticker is now going to come in 2 seconds after the text. So if we play this back, there you go. So we'll just pop this over to the side for now. We'll go to effects. And we can basically use these effects as overlay if you wanted to. So we've got some confetti effects. We've got entertainment, fireworks, grunge, hearts, light leaks, powder explosion, and more. But we'll go into light leaks. We'll select one of these layers. That's going to import that on top of everything. But if you want this to be underneath your text layers, we'll go into layers. We'll drag this overlay and we'll drag that underneath the text and the sticker. So it's now sitting on top of the background image, but it's below the text layer and the sticker layer. If we play this back, you'll see that example. There you go. Moving on, we've got shapes. And again, this is going to be a whole world of shape presets. So we'll select this solid shape. We can import this onto our video. We can do whatever we want with that, move that wherever we want to add that. Then we've got enhancers and we can do collage layouts, masks, and a Twitter and Instagram post. So we can add the URL for a Twitter post and it's going to add that onto the video. And then of course, we've got the uploads tab again. And you know, we've already done this. Now, of course, if you wanted to preview and export this, then all you have to do is select preview and export. That is going to play that video for you. And once you're happy with the look of that, you can just press export video. It's going to take a second for InVideo to load your video. And as soon as that has finished processing, you can now go ahead and save that video and upload it to wherever you want to upload that video to. So there you go. InVideo is a really awesome and powerful online video editor. And I would seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to create short form content. So if you're interested in InVideo, check the link in the description below. That will take you to their website and there you can go and see if this is right for you. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I will see you on the next video. See you there.